I'm Dr. Andrew Pope. I'm a physician in Manhattan, Kansas. I have a direct primary care clinic called Blue Fire Med. Here at Blue Fire Med, recently I began offering 3 new services through Enso doctors. Number one being PRP. I found that PRP has been around and helping people for several years, but only a few people have had access to it. Pro athletes and people that had discretionary income that could afford some of this newer treatments. Well, I decided as a direct primary care clinic, I wanted to offer access to these newer treatments, but I wanted to make it reasonable and affordable. And so to my Blue Fire Med members and even non-members, I'm now offering platelet-rich plasma or PRP injections for a number of conditions, most of which are going to be orthopedic, such as arthritis or even tendon and ligament issues. So if you've got some knee pain or shoulder pain, give me a call and we'll see if PRP is right for you. Our second treatment is also PRF, platelet-rich fibrin, where we can help chronic wounds and ulcers heal up when oftentimes other things have failed. It's a relatively new product, but don't let that scare you. It's very effective. There have been several studies and actual videos where you can see the progress as it goes, before and after. The product speaks for itself when you see what it can accomplish. So if this is a condition that you might struggle with, as I mentioned, ulcers and or a chronic non-healing wound, give us a call. We might be able to help you. And our third service is we're now offering Enso Doctor's CBD oil because I struggled for years to give any good recommendations to patients when they asked me about it. And I do think it does have some good utility for treating various conditions for patients. And so I did my research and working with Enso Doctor's CBD, I was able to find a product that I could rely on and trust and actually recommend to patients. And it so far has had overwhelmingly positive feedback. As far as results, the patient feedback I've received is that several of them have struggled with years-long issues with getting to sleep, insomnia, ranging to chronic pain, as well as mental issues, including anxiety. They've told me it's significantly helped them when oftentimes other remedies have failed. So overwhelmingly, the feedback is that it works and it was helpful for them. If you're a physician and you've been looking for a CBD recommendation or a product, something that you can rely on for your patients, you should give Enso Doctor's CBD oil a look. I know that they control every step of the process from growing it on the farm all the way to getting it in the bottle. They sterilize their own bottles, their droppers, they seal it in the package and send it to the store. There's no middleman. There's nobody else where they're just rebranding it. This is their product. Therefore, they can rely and control the product quality, and they can deliver on the promise every single time. That's why I recommend Enso Doctor's CBD oil.